In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up UTM tracking for Facebook ads, and we'll get this done in about 5 minutes. UTM tracking is a useful tool for anyone running digital ad campaigns, as it provides detailed insights into where your traffic is coming from, enabling more strategic decision making. So let's dive right in and simplify the process. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Google. From there, enter Facebook Ads Manager and hit search. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the link that takes you directly to the Facebook Ads Manager page. Upon reaching the Facebook Ads Manager, look for the button labelled Go to Ads Manager and click on it. If you aren't already logged into Facebook, the next screen will prompt you to enter your email and password. Once you've filled in your information, click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Now that we're logged in, you'll find yourself on the campaigns dashboard. Here, you'll see an array of options and ongoing campaigns if you've set any up before. To set up a new tracking campaign, locate the Create button. Click that to start a new campaign. Next, you have to choose the campaign objective. In this case, select sales as the focus for your campaign and click Continue. Following that, you'll be required to select Manual Sales Campaign. Once selected, click Continue again. This ensures you have full control over how your sales campaign operates and allows for the UTM parameters to be manually set. In your newly created campaign, click on New Sales Ad. Now we're moving closer to setting up those UTM parameters. As we move through the ad setup, we'll need to scroll down to the section titled Tracking. This is where you can begin configuring your parameters. Now click on Build a URL parameter. You'll see several fields to fill in. For campaign source, select the option that matches the source of your ad traffic. Here you can choose site source name, which refers to the source site. It's crucial to define these parameters appropriately as they form the basis of your UTM tracking. Next, under campaign medium, select what ad set.name. This pertains to the specific medium or ad set being used. Moving on to the campaign name field, choose campaign.name to effectively label the campaign for clearer identification and tracking. Finally, in the campaign content field, select ad.name to specify the unique ad that will be tracked. Once all these fields are filled in, it's important to review them for accuracy. When everything is set, click the Apply button to ensure your UTM parameters are saved and active. And there you have it. You've successfully set up UTM tracking for your Facebook ads. This setup will offer critical insights into your campaign's performance, allowing you to make informed decisions to optimize your future strategies. Thanks for following along, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share the knowledge.